Welcome to the Conference 15 in San Francisco. Today I will speak about my own company, Design and Reuse. What I would like to tell that you should know that Design and Reuse is in fact like two companies. On one side, Design and Reuse is taking care of this website that you probably know. But on the other side, people that you may not know are developing software. This software is sold to enterprise to manage IP and more recently software licenses. So what means managing IP in a company? So this software is installed in the intranet of the company. And in fact, we address two needs, the people who use IP and the people to sell IP. At DAC 15, we were speaking about a new feature of people who use IP. Everybody in the world who is providing electronic equipment have board, chip, SOC, and SOC, what they have in the SOC, IPs, and IPs from dozens of vendors. So this platform helps the company to trace, to monitor this IP in their product. When an IP comes in from external IP, the platform will help you to receive or publish, we say, the IP internally, not like a zip, but with a directory which is documented. It's very important so that the designer in your house see this IP and can understand the content. There is also an area there which allows you to follow the different qualification steps. After that, where is this IP going? We call this the IP tracing. So where is this IP? In which of your chip, in which of your board, in which of your product? This IP tracing is very important. So why? You have to trace which version of the IP provider, which version of his IP you have put in this product. Imagine you have a bug. Immediately you have to know which product, which chip is affected. You have also immediately to know which version has been put in which version of the product. This is the goal of this tracing. Next, DNR is highly specialized, associating directly financial views, fees, and royalty. You may know probably that this dozen of vendors have all different royalty schemes, for instance. So this tool is unique in the world because it has a library of royalty template, for instance. And you can just by calling a function, at each shipment of your product, you know what you have to pay. Of course, with an alert and financing accountant and so on. So we think that this is the most comprehensive management station for a company to trace IPs from the input to the product. So if you haven't visited us at the DAC the last days, please ask for a WebEx. The other topic that Design and Reuse addresses and has highlighted at the Design Automation Conference is software license management. The whole world is struggling with a big problem. How can I optimize the cost of my software licenses? So the software are usually very expensive and you need many copies. So how can you optimize these expenses? So DNR has begun to put in place what we call an administration portal, a front end where you can see on which server, for which department, which software licenses have been bought. The originality of our platform is the Remix engine, what we announced at DAC. The problem of Remix is how to switch licenses among people without any cost increase. So why could we announce something new, efficient, and original? Because we have integrated the monitoring. The monitoring is the tool that tracks who uses what. If this is a separate tool and you have just to go there and look at something, it will not give you the basis to optimize. DNR has integrated the monitoring. That means that we have a Remix advisor. We have customizable optimization function that you can yourself in Python put in the tool, and automatically the tool will propose you changes, cost optimization. I think that this is the first tool in the world which does integrated monitoring, intelligent Remix, and I think you should come and look at it. So if you have no time to come our booth, please contact us. Thank you.